Alright, we'll do a quick unboxing to see what all comes in the heater. It does come with a thermostat that hooks up through the power cord. For tonight's unboxing, I'm not really going to hook up or set up the thermostat, but rather we'll just turn the unit on so you can hear it and see what it does. All the styrofoam packing. There is the thermostat that you plug the power cord from the heater into, where you can actually adjust and set your temperature ranges. Let's see here. And then we have the heater itself. Throwing stuff around. Has a little carrying handle and little adjustable knobs to tilt it up or down. Nice size little heater. I got a couple of them for this greenhouse. It's a 10 by 25. I'm going to put one on either end and we'll give it a try and see how well it can keep it warm. Thank you for watching the videos and thank you for subscribing. And this is the Palma BioGreen greenhouse heater. The heating coil, the intake fan, and it has a fan motor, heat setting, and this temperature dial here that you can turn all the way up to 10. It does have a thermostat. This wasn't hooked up to it right now, that goes in through the power cord, that you can set and regulate the temperature. It's on high right now and very, very quiet. Just have a little handle